What happens when luxury, innovation, and sustainability converge in one vehicle? Are hybrid sedans just the beginning of a new era in premium driving? Today, we explore how one automaker is rewriting the rules. Meet the Lynk Co 10 EMP, a bold, stylish, mid-to-large luxury sedan that's more than just another hybrid. With futuristic design, breakthrough comfort, and serious attention to detail, this car aims to redefine what buyers expect from the 200,000 yuan segment. Lynk Co, a brand under the Geely umbrella, is known for pushing boundaries in automotive design and tech. As hybrid vehicles gain traction globally, especially in the premium segment, Lynk Co is positioning the 10 EMP to compete not just with rivals, but with convention itself. The design of the 10 EMP draws inspiration from natural elements like dawn and sunrise. That theme carries through its exclusive exterior paint colors, Tianyan beige, Liuguang gold, and Liuguang purple, each made using advanced pearlescent coating technology to reflect light in dynamic, elegant ways. The sporty body kit features sharp lines, aerodynamic details, and 21-inch wheels that enhance both stability and aesthetics. Inside, and the nature-inspired philosophy continues with 4 rich interior color schemes. Premium Nappa leather, rose gold trim, and diamond-stitched seats create an atmosphere of modern luxury. But the real standout is the 4-seat equality concept. Every seat offers massage, ventilation, and heating functions. A built-in refrigerated and heated console adds to the VIP-level convenience, while ambient lighting with millions of color options and a unique rising air vent and speaker system transform every drive into an immersive experience. So what does this mean for the luxury market? The Lynk Co 10 EMP proves that hybrid sedans no longer have to compromise between performance, elegance, and environmental responsibility. Its combination of aesthetic refinement and cutting-edge comfort makes it a legitimate challenger to more established European and Japanese rivals. While many brands focus only on the driver, Lynk Co's focus on equal passenger experience, especially in the rear, sets a new benchmark. And with the car priced around 200,000 yuan, it offers a compelling value proposition for buyers seeking both high-end design and forward-thinking innovation. In short, this sedan doesn't just talk luxury, it delivers it, thoughtfully and thoroughly. One Lynk Co designer put it simply, "We wanted to create a space where every passenger feels like a VIP, where natural beauty meets futuristic living." And many reviewers agree, it's a car you have to see in person to truly appreciate. From its natural-inspired design to its ultra-comfortable, tech-infused interior, the 10 EMP shows us where hybrid luxury is headed. Lynk Co didn't just build a car, they built an experience that challenges the old definitions of premium. If you're passionate about the future of hybrid vehicles, let us know in the comments below. Would you pick the 10 EMP over a traditional luxury brand? Subscribe for more in-depth reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.